From the Lineweaver Wealth Watch Center, this is the Financial Quarterback.
I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. Although the new year might seem distant, now is the time to start your planning. Joining me today to talk about a 9-point checklist about year-end planning are attorney Dan Barron with Barron Law and also Mark Sipos with LFG Tax. So Dan, let's begin with you. What are the top things you think people should do before year-end?
Jim, it's tough to pick only two things because there are a lot of important steps to think about at the end of the year, such as estate, taxes, and finances. But if I had to choose, I'd say the most important changes are in your family and changes in your health.
And those are both really important, Dan. When there are changes in your family, like getting married, divorced, having a baby, or when someone passes away, it's a good time to update your legal papers. You should also make sure the people listed on your beneficiaries on all your accounts are still the ones that you want. Keeping these things up to date can really help avoid problems later.
That's right. If you or someone in your family has any health changes, or even if everything is the same, now is a good time to look over your healthcare and financial powers of attorney. Make sure they're up to date so your wishes are clear and protected.
And people often put off talking about these things because they can be uncomfortable, but it's really important to make sure you review your plan. So Mark, now let's talk about taxes. If you had to pick just two important tax planning tips before year end, what would you choose?
You know, the Big Beautiful Bill offers a lot of tax changes, so it's really hard to focus on just two. But an important step right now at the end of the year is gifting to individuals, especially around the holidays. In 2025, you can gift as much as $19,000 per person to an individual, and if you're married, that includes $38,000 to that same individual.
And it's great to do that with highly appreciated stock. So gifting can be a great way to help provide for the next generation or to also help your favorite charity.
That's a great point, Jim. You know, lowering your taxes is always a great thing, and helping your charity can be another wonderful gift. And you can do that in many different ways. Directly from your retirement account, you can give highly appreciated stocks like you mentioned, or creating a charitable trust. These are all ways to lower the bill and help your favorite cause.
Yeah, these are all great strategies, Mark, and they can really help you with your financial plan as well. For example, a charitable trust can give you a steady income stream while also helping a charity that matters to you. It's also important to make sure your accounts and advisors all work together. So every year we hear about people that didn't have someone to help quarterback their finances, taxes, estate plan, and insurance. If you are one of these people and you'd like a financial quarterback to help bring everything together, you're less likely to miss something that's really important.
I completely agree, Jim. It's essential for high net worth clients to have an advisor who takes a comprehensive and holistic approach to their financial planning, considering every detail and angle.
And working together, that's what the three of us aim to do with all of our clients. So if you have questions about your financial plan, estate plan, or tax plan, give us a call. There's still time for year-end planning. As mentioned, we've covered just 6 of the 9 year-end checklist topics that we consider very important for everyone. So for a complimentary, no-obligation meeting with us, as well as the full checklist, give us a call or schedule your appointment today at lineweaver.net.